Welcome to my part 2 of intermittent fasting while on vacation. Let's do this. So I just murdered my burger. Didn't eat the bun because of carbs. Kasi meron pang fries for my carbs. I still do intermittent fasting even though I'm not on vacation. It's just to control my food intake. It helps because last time I left the Philippines weighing 68 kilograms and then I came back, I weighed 66, so that was pretty good result. For my second meal, nasi goreng. Okay, so for my third meal, it's a mix of healthy and super unhealthy. Deep fried churros and salad. For the last meal of the day, I'll be having baby back ribs. So at first I got really scared because there were like 4 slabs and then akala ko madami pa, but puro coleslaw na siya. And it's a deep, dami ng coleslaw. So it's my 12th day here in Bali and I'll be doing another video of me eating. So full day of eating na naman while on intermittent fasting. So it's 8 AM. I have to wait 5 more hours before I can eat. So let's do this. So yesterday I wasn't really focused into like the food that I like. So I had to consider again yung carb intakes ko, kung may protein ba siya, and most especially fiber. So you did see that I ordered churros, but together with that I ordered a salad. So it's a nikwa salad. So may tuna siya and avocado. So dun pa rin yung healthy fat and also protein. And also yung carbs nga and fiber from the vegetables in the salad. So yeah, it doesn't mean that you're intermittent fasting na pwede ka na mag-cheat all the way. You still have to consider the macro and micronutrients kung ano ba yung pinapasok mo sa katawan mo. For meal number 1, I had this smoothie something from a very expensive cafe here in Seminyak, and then for meal number 2, I'm having donuts because it's my weakness, and I know I told you guys to avoid simple carbs, but my weakness are donuts. For my third meal, I'm having this ice cream. It's not even yummy or delicious. Don't go here just for photos. It's not worth it. So for my final meal for today, I'm at the local war room and I'm eating a lot. I don't know why. Hey guys, so it's my last day here in Bali and I'm going on another snorkeling tour. I'll go all out today, so I'm going to have breakfast and stop muna sa intermittent fasting. So I wasn't able to eat my breakfast because nasira ulit yung lock nung door ko. So they had to use it, and nung bumaba ako, meron na yung driver, so we arrived in the boat and I'm having my third cup of coffee. They're serving pastries here, but it's full of simple carbs and sugar, so no to that. So I know I said I wanted to go all out today because it's my last day here in Bali. I'm leaving tomorrow morning and it didn't work because dumating agad yung driver. So coffee lang nainom ko, and nung dumating ako dito sa boat, our cruise na papuntang Nusa Lembongan, nag-coffee na lang din ako kasi although weakness ko rin ang cinnamon bun, I had to resist kasi yun nga, simple carbs and white flour siya and sugar, so iwasan din natin yun as much as possible para we won't gain too much weight.
I love the way you kiss, the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths just with the wild. I love the way you call me little child, and I will never let you go. You love the way I touch your skin with mine. We're in the skies, I can't get much more higher.
So I'll have my first meal for the day, and lamon tayo ngayon. So after weight loss, ang nakikita ko na lang hindi salad, hindi carbs and fiber, then fat, then again carbs and fiber and protein, kasi may protein on it. Protein. Round 2.
We have since we're the wild. Now we'll never let you go. Kiss the way you rock. I love the way we're breaths just with the wild. I love the way you call me little child. And I will never let you go.
So I'm back in the hostel that I'm staying at, and I went to this local warung where my Grab driver recommended me to go kasi kahapon nag-shortcut siya, so ibang daan yung pinuntahan namin, and I was curious, and then she just pointed at a warung and then she said we should try that. And I was in Bali last year, and nung tinanong ko yung mga driver na nag-drive sa akin around with my auntie around the islands. And sabi niya lang, kailangan i-try ko is the suckling pig, and sa Pinas, ang tawag natin doon is lechon. And then, year later, I finally had the chance to try it, and it's good. Sarap siya, and manghang. I think Pilipinas lang ata yung hindi mahilig sa manghang, but me personally, I love spicy food. Then ako ng 6 o'clock, pero 7:30 pa talaga yung opening, and then by 7 o'clock, dami ng tao. Hindi ko sila maintindihan kasi, I mean, puro locals yung kumakain doon. And yun din yung sinabi yung Grab driver ko prior to going to that place. And then, ang sarap ng food. I had 1-2 menu. Hey guys, so if you like the video, don't forget to click the like button below, and if you want to see more of this guy, subscribe to my YouTube channel.